Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys could take a look and see what other goodies they have to offer. And look at that. Brand new school year. Just can't believe how fast this whole year went. Almost 2020. Insane. But about to open this thing up and see what's inside and take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. You'll get this in no time. Here we go. One cup. There we go. Uh-oh. I see something. This could be a two-parter. This one last. And now we'll do this one first. This is coming from Amazon Basics. It's their multi-purpose paper, 1,500 sheets, I do believe. Such a good deal they got going on right now, and I'll have the link for it. But for a good printing paper, this is a good one to choose. Alright, here. You don't have to go nowhere to get it. Have it shipped to you really fast. Don't have to carry it. So there it is. 1,500 sheets. So this would be great writing material to use also for TTMers, and then good printing paper also. There we go. Let's take a look. So it comes in boxes or packets. All right. Do it like this. So 1, 2, oh God, 3. Wait, there we go. Almost fell. And right there, I'll just stick it in there. Got 3 sheets. So 500 each. So that equals 1,500. Let's get one of them ripped open, because I'm gonna need new sheets anyway. Go. This is what they look like. Oops. There we go. See? Normal paper. Pretty good. Like I said, writing material. Stuff like that. So there you go. I just wasted a piece of paper. Oh boy. Alrighty. So check them out, Amazon Basics, multi-purpose paper for your printer. These are the normal 8.5 inch by 11. So, alright YouTubers, you guys be safe. I got another video coming up. See ya.